We're talking about basketball right now. Alright, brate.
Why everybody got this notebook, man?
Tacos.
Everybody got this damn. Romeo, do you know Jimmy Johnson?
Jimmy Johnson.
And LeBron.
And LeBron.
I'm gonna ignore both those questions.
And you know, but the real question is, do you know LeBron Johnson?
Jimmy James. Basketball means a lot. You know what I mean? Basketball means a way out. It means peace. More here in Croatia, you work a lot more. You know, this is probably the hardest I've worked as a professional. I was low when I was in Spain. You know, I didn't play much. My coach didn't like me. You know, and it rained every day. It was just a depressing point in my life where I contemplated retiring. You know. And then, you know, I had friends that played here before me, you know, Chet Mason, Jimmy Johnson. They're both, you know, from my hometown, and I know them both. They really don't like Partizan here, and it was just a fun game, you know. We made it, Ante made a shot, the tall guy from Partizan made a shot in 0.7 seconds, and Coach Ante Nazic threw up an amazing play, you know, just to get the lob, and Ante Delash threw a great pass, and I just made the tip in. I mean, it was just a layup. So for me, it was the easy part was making the layup. The hard part was the pass. I would say the fans here are passionate. That's the best way I can put it in polite way to say they're very passionate. They're passionate. That means they care about their team a lot. I feel like everybody in Zadar either played basketball, women included, or coached basketball at one point in their life. I don't know, maybe 6-year-olds or something, but they all have an opinion on what you should do better, what you need to do. Or one guy stops me, I'm in the restroom, he tells me I need to pump fake once I get in the post, and I'm like, thank you. You know I did it, so don't violate or you'll get violated. Jusuf Nurkic is my favorite player. You know, if I was his size, his height, his everything, you know. Dwight Thorne is a better free throw shooter than Dwight Howard. Got a newborn baby. I got a 7-year-old daughter, you know. And I'm really ready just to be a father, you know, just to go take my daughter to swimming class, you know, go watch the ballet recitals, go do the things that fathers do every day that I don't get a chance to do. It's a unique place. Zadar is a very unique town, and it's very distinct about how much they love basketball here. You know, the people here, they love basketball. One of the best places in Europe to play basketball when you're winning. I'm a professional, man. One day you're gonna learn. I'm a professional. I knock out all the questions so you don't have to ask them. This is my major, man. I went to school for this.
It's cool, though.
Oh, yeah. I went to school for this.
It's cool.
Oh, yeah.